Today we are going to discuss the topic about unit number 2 synchronous motor. Topic is V and inverted V curves. When the excitation of three-phase synchronous motor taking constant power P means power from constant voltage supply is varied and power factor will be changes. The motor excitation can be 2, that is varied from very low and varied from higher. There are two excitation. One is over excitation and another one is under excitation. The over excitation means that the cos pi value will be higher. That is called over excitation. And under excitation means that the cos pi value is lower. That is called under excitation. Then under excitation and lower excitation. Under excitation, that means the field current decreases gradually below normal excitation. That is called under excitation. And over excitation means that the field current, that is cos pi value, will be higher. That is called over excitation. This equation of synchronous motor given by power is equal to root 3 Vi cos pi. Now V is equal to line voltage and I equal to armature current and cos pi is power factor. Since input power P and V supply voltage is constant, increase the power factor causes of increase the armature current. Hence, variation of excitation or field current causes the variation of armature current. The curve drawn between the armature current and field current for different power input, that is known as V curves. This is the phasor diagram of V and inverted V curves. ER a resultant voltage, EB is a back EMF and V is a terminal voltage. This is the phasor diagram of synchronous motor. Next, this is the circuit arrangement of experimental setup. First, three-phase supply is given to the synchronous motor. There are 2 wattmeter will be used and 1 ammeter and 1 voltmeter will be used. Field supplies used for the 1 ammeter and rheostat will be used produced to the DC supply. Then the family of curve obtained the plotting of power factor against field current for various conditions known as inverted V curves. V curves. The V curves means that a curve drawn between the field current and synchronous motor, that is called V curve. And inverted V curve means that a curve drawn between the field current and power factor, that is called inverted V curves. The stator is connected to the three-phase supply through the wattmeter and ammeter. The 2 wattmeter is used to measure the input of motor. Voltmeter reading is line voltage, so that find out to the line voltage volts and line current amps and W1 watts and W2 watts and power factor. Now IL equal to IA. It is the condition of star connection and IL divided by root 3 is equal to I phase, that is delta connection. Now power factor formula is cos phi is equal to cos tan inverse of root 3 W1 minus W2 divided by W1 plus W2. This is the value of power factor. And now the graph plotted 2 values, that is one is armature current and another one is IF field current. These 2 value is find out, so that draw the V curves. And another one 2 factor is important. One is power factor, that is cos pi, and another one is field current, that is inverted V curves. So that Draw the weak cow, have inverted weak cows. Thank you.